What's up guys, Tom here. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and simplest way to remove a decal from a boat or a car or whatever surface you're trying to remove it from. So this is my 3M wheel. This thing is $30 off Amazon. I'll post a link in the description. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend it. Worth its weight in gold. I've already been using it for probably a year on 5 or 6 decals, and it's still got pretty good life on it. All right guys, to remove a decal and put a new one on, there's a few things you're gonna need. First thing I got here is I'm gonna have a plastic scraper. I want to use plastic because I don't want to scratch up my gel coat. And then this eraser wheel is the next thing we're going to be using. It's by 3M. I'll put the link in the description. This thing's about 30 bucks off Amazon. It's worth its weight in gold. So I'll show you that in a second. Obviously you're going to need your new decal. I'm replacing the custom on my Tidewater Custom 28 footer. And then sometimes it helps also to use a heat gun first. This is a heat gun. I can put a link in the description for this. I believe it was like 10 bucks off Amazon. This thing is also worth its weight in gold if you own a boat. And the next thing you'll need, some rubbing alcohol or some handy dandy hand sanitizer, because this will work as well. You just want to use some alcohol to get any of the excess oils and everything off the surface of the boat before you apply your new sticker. All right, so first thing you want to do is start taking off the old decal with your plastic scraper here. And you just kind of want to work it off little by little until you get the majority of the thick stuff off. And honestly, you might not even have to do this because that eraser wheel, as you'll see in a second, it's like magic. But I like to just get the majority of it off with a nice plastic scraper. And that's less eraser wheel that I have to eat up. All right, the next thing you need is your eraser wheel. When you get it in the mail, it's gonna come like this. And you're gonna have to assemble this. You're gonna have to just screw it into the middle of this. So put that together. And you're gonna take this and put this in a drill. And you want it to be a high-speed drill, just not too high speed. I think 2,000 revolutions per minute, whatever, is the max. Just use a regular household drill like this, you'll be fine. All right, you wanna have it in forward, and then you wanna face it as I'm doing so, all right? And all you're gonna do is you're gonna go full speed, and you're just gonna slowly start applying it until you feel it starting to grab, and then you're gonna have to hold it tight because it's gonna want to run away on you. And you're just gonna kind of go like this, back and forth motion, as it'll peel away. You'll see in a second. Voila, I told you it's magic. All right, now I'm gonna take some alcohol, or in my case, some hand sanitizer, which, because I'm out of alcohol. This will work better than nothing. Okay, and I'm gonna try to clean it off. Okay, now I got some of that eraser wheel residue on there, so you wanna rub that off. Just get as much of that off as you can, but it comes off pretty easily. All right, as you can see, that took me about 20 seconds with the eraser wheel. Goo gone, none of that stuff would have took that thing off that quick. So I got a little bit of stuff left over right there, but I'm gonna put my sticker over anyways, so it's not gonna bother it too much. Just get as much as you can off. It all depends how much of a perfectionist you are, but I'm ready to put my new sticker on. All right guys, hope you like this video. If you want to see more like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you at the next video.